feel the time for your hands to hold, for your heart to keep. Every loop I make runs a little deep. Crochet for Christmas, crochet for Christmas. Join Mike for Christmas, join Mike for Christmas. Stitch it for you, stitch it for others. Handmade gifts with love, handmade gifts with love. One for the neighbor, one for my best friend, one for the ones who need a little warmth again. Crochet for Christmas, crochet for Christmas. Join Mike for Christmas, join Mike for Christmas. Stitch it for you, stitch it for others. Handmade gifts with love, handmade gifts with love.